Are AI-generated images haram in Islam? Today we're exploring this question that's been on many minds. As artificial intelligence continues to advance, it's crucial to understand how these innovations align with the values taught in the Quran and Hadith. In this video, we'll discuss references from Islamic sources and get insights from scholars like Dr. Zakir Naik. Let's dive in. The Islamic view on image making. In Islamic tradition, the creation of images, especially of animate beings like humans and animals, has always been a sensitive issue. This concern comes from the fear of idol worship, which Islam strongly forbids. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, warned against image making, saying, "The most severely punished of people on the day of resurrection will be the image makers." Sahih Bukhari, Sahih Muslim. This prohibition, rooted in the fear of leading people away from the worship of Allah, has influenced Islamic teachings for centuries. The idea is that creating realistic depictions of living beings could lead to idol worship or draw one's focus away from the divine. So, what does this mean for modern technology like AI? Does AI change the game? AI-generated images are not hand-drawn or manually created. They're produced by machines using sophisticated algorithms. This raises a question. Does AI technology change how Islam views the creation of images? Let's explore the issue from an Islamic perspective. AI as a neutral tool. Dr. Zakir Naik, a well-respected Islamic scholar, explains that technology itself is neutral. It's how we use it that matters in Islam. In the case of AI-generated images, the permissibility depends on the content and the intent behind its creation. If AI is used to create images for lawful and beneficial purposes, like education, design, or art, it can be permissible, as long as the content aligns with Islamic ethics. However, the content of the image matters significantly. If an AI-generated image portrays something haram, such as nudity, immoral behavior, or something that contradicts Islamic values, it would be impermissible. The technology is neutral, but the intentions and the outcome must align with Islamic principles. The importance of content and intent. Now let's discuss the important factors, content and intent. Dr. Zakir Naik emphasizes that images of animate beings, such as humans or animals, might be permissible under certain conditions. For example, the image has a valid purpose, such as a medical diagram or educational material. The image is incomplete, like missing key features such as the face. On the other hand, creating images for purely decorative or entertainment purposes that feature complete depictions of living beings might still raise concerns, as they could lead to imitating life in ways that Islam discourages. Inanimate objects, halal or haram. When it comes to inanimate objects such as landscapes, buildings, or abstract designs, these are generally allowed in Islam. These types of images don't involve the depiction of life and are often used for beneficial purposes such as art, architecture, or education. Islamic scholars generally agree that portraying inanimate objects through AI or any other medium poses no harm to Islamic values. The ethics of automation and AI use. As we move forward with technology, it's vital to consider the ethics behind its use. Are AI-generated images being used to promote knowledge, creativity, and positivity? Or are they being used to spread harmful or misleading messages? In Islam, the intent behind any action plays a crucial role in determining its permissibility. For example, using AI to create art that educates, inspires, or enhances our understanding of the world aligns with Islamic principles. On the other hand, if the AI is used to create images that encourage immoral behavior or distract people from worship, that would contradict Islamic teachings. Conclusion: understanding AI in Islam. To conclude, AI-generated images are not inherently haram. Their permissibility depends on three important factors: the content. Does the image adhere to Islamic values and ethics? The intent. Is it being created for a lawful and beneficial purpose, such as education, art, or design? The application. Does it avoid promoting haram actions like idol worship or immorality? As with any new technology, it's crucial to consider the broader impact of AI and ensure it is used in ways that align with Islamic principles. If you're ever in doubt, it's best to consult with a trusted scholar or Islamic institution to ensure that your use of AI respects Islamic teachings.